Well, 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 we have another new record. And no one's talking about this shit, right? I mean, we got like 1.748 trillion, 58 trillion today. And we're nearing $2 trillion. We're already sitting on record inflation at 6.8. And we have 81 counterparties today. Hold on a second. I believe there is a, actually, you know what? I think there at one point was an 80 billion per counterparty limit, but I believe they may have increased that. So we're talking 21.7 billion per participant today. That's an absurd amount. So yeah, again, this is the fourth day in a row now. Here we are again, breaking records in the repo market. And if you want to just see how unprecedented this shit is, go look at the charts. The ones dated back to 2008. This is 2008. You can't even see that compared to now. Right here between 2013 and 2018 is when they tried to basically do what they just filed for this year and eliminate the small and medium-sized members in the NSCC, FICC, DTC by increasing their capital requirements. It was denied, and then we had the whole COVID outbreak, and then SLR. This is the SLR period here, which is the COVID relief for Treasury. And then as soon as that ends, which was the end of March, beginning of April this year, skyrockets to record all-time highs, and it's continuing to do that every freaking day the past 4 days in a row. It's insanity. Evergrande is a distraction. That shit's nothing. That shit was planned from the beginning of this year. Actually, since August of last year, Evergrande was planned. That shit's expected. So why is everyone jacking their titties over something that's literally been expected when this shit here is not at all expected, but they say it is. They say it is. But we know the Fed's full of shit. So, I mean, it's just nuts, right? 1.758 trillion today. But inflation's transitory, right?